Okay, welcome guys to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to triple your YouTube earning for your faceless or automation channel. So you can see here is my channel here right now. How this one video can make you money in like 5 ways, like how you can make money with this video multiple ways. That's what I'm going to be showing you right now. So without before I jump into showing you that right now, if you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share this video and comment as many times as possible so that YouTube can show this video to more people. You can come to this channel and come check out the channel. This is a faceless channel that is for health right now. And if you want to know more about this channel while I'm showing you my earnings and everything, make sure you subscribe to this channel where you're watching this video right now so I can show you more results about this channel. So let's go into my YouTube studio right now. So here's my YouTube studio, and you already uploaded the video that I want to use right now. So once you uploaded your video, just come right here, click on um the video that you want to. Of course, you already had to monetize. You need to be monetized already. You can see this video is monetized, or this channel is monetized, so you can see I'm earning from this channel already. So let's come back again right here and click on this video that we want to earn multiple times on it. So just come right here, scroll down all the way. What we're going to do is not here, we're going to go to monetization right here. So you can see here we're going to turn on the monetization. So once we turn on the monetization right now, click on done. Then you see manage ad slot. So this is what you need to create that will help you add mid-roll advert into this video. Normally, if you don't do this setting that I'm doing right now, YouTube might just have to play one ad at the beginning and play one ad at the end, which is just two ad. But people are really making so much money by adding multiple ad in the middle like this. At least these about 9 almost 10 minute video, if it's having like 5 ad, is not too bad, because a lot of people even had more than that in their video, and people still watch their video and all that. So aside from the ad that YouTube is going to have in the middle, so we're going to say let's have one ad at 3 minutes. So just come right here, click on these 3 minutes that you're seeing here right now. Then you come back up here and say insert slot, insert ad slot. So once you insert, so you can see this shows that there is an ad, this white thing that you're seeing here, it shows that there is an ad here. So we come again after six, we come to 6 minutes again. A play ad at the beginning, play at 3 minutes, play at 6 minutes. So you come again, you can see that one has been added right now. It's added at 312. 312, that's 312 here. So click on insert ad slot again. So just click on that. You can see the second ad has been added at 16:14, which is this one. This is the first one right here. This is the second one right here. So I'm gonna only add those two, or let me add one more at the end, because sometimes YouTube might not play, might not add the ad at the end instantly. So let me just add one more right now. So I had one more. I say insert as slot. So you can see this is how the ad is going to see. This is where the ad is going to pop up right here. So you can see I've added 1, 2, 3 ad into this video, which will cause us to make more money with this video than our usual amounts that we're supposed to make. If we're just supposed to make money from one ad before, then it then means that we can now make money from multiple ad, which is 3 more ad added to it, making 4. That's like more money for us. So that's just basically it right here. So once you're done, just click on continue right here. Just click on continue, it has been added. So just come again right here and say next. So once you click on next, it's gonna you need to read all of these ads suitability, but because I'm not just doing it, I've been reading it all this while, so I don't need to read it again. But you make sure you read it. Once you read it and click what is appropriate for you right now, if all this does not apply to you, me, it does not apply to me, so I just click on none of the above. Then come to this right hand side also and said how you rate your video overall safety for ad. So I just click on this submit. I've been doing this, so you make sure you read it and then click what apply to you. So but I'm not gonna do that because I've been reading this. I upload video every day, so I know all of this already. So that's it. So just come right here and click on next. So once you click on next like that, so and this is where you add your own all these things that I'm adding. You can add a product, you can add a subtitle, you can add an end screen right here, so that when your video is done, is about to finish playing, YouTube is going to recommend you another of your video to them. You're going to show them another of your video. And that's how that one work right there. So which is the end video. Then the second one, we're going to add a card, add card. So that card is like a playlist, like your playlist. That's why you see us always putting our video in the playlist. So once we add a playlist, like if anybody click on that playlist, all the videos we had on the playlist are what is going to be playing for the person. So if we had 1,000 video in our playlist, those are the videos that are going to be playing one after the other for the people. So just click on the playlist 50 video right there, then click on save. So once we save like this, then we're gonna go to the next page. You say no copyright and ad is suitable, no issue. So we're safe to monetize this video. So if you wanted to go live right now, just click on publish right now. But normally I leave it unlisted or private, or sometimes I just schedule it. So what's the time right now in the United States is 4:25 p.m. So I can say this one should go by 12 noon American time. So you can see 12 noon American time. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna click on schedule right here. Just click on schedule. So once you click on schedule like that, our video is going to be scheduled to go live at 12 American time. So guys, if you enjoy this video and you love me to do more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, and make sure you comment as many times as possible, because I'm going to be using your comment to create a video for you guys. That's what I'm going to be doing. So make sure you do all of this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.